We need some nice weather this weekend for the graduates.
I don't think it's going to be too bad. There's a chance of a thunderstorm again tomorrow in the afternoon and evening hours. I think in the Austin area, you're going to survive the evening without storms. The way it looks right now, there's a shower developing down in Hays County. We'll look at it in just a minute. That could turn into a thunderstorm here in the next hour or so. Let's begin with a look at the severe thunderstorm watch area. That includes almost our entire viewing area right now. The only exception, San Saba and Mason County out in the western hill country. On the first warning weather storm profiler radar, there's that little cell down in Hays County trying to develop right on Highway 290 east of Dripping Springs. Looks like it's going to move up through western Travis County, but you know, right now it's a shower. I mean, it's not even a thunderstorm. However, there are some strong storms in the northern parts of the hill country that have held together pretty well. This storm moving up toward Fort Hood produced some 1-inch hail a little bit earlier, but that's moving out of our viewing area now on up toward the Killeen area. Back down the thunderstorm line just a little bit into Burnett County. That storm is blowing up a little bit there near Bertram. It doesn't appear to be severe right now, but it could have some, well, Doppler indicating maybe it does have some hail in it that could be at severe criteria as it moves on to the northeast there of the Bertram area. It'll pass right on up through northeastern Burnett County. So you folks in Briggs, the Shady Grove, the Joppa communities, you be on the lookout for that storm. May have a little lightning in it, a little thunder, a little small hail. And back down to Marble Falls, that's a rain shower. That's not a big deal. Back over into Gillespie County, that's a rain shower there around Willow City. Not anything to be too concerned about in the immediate future, except there in northeastern Burnett County. Well, it has been very warm and humid today, hasn't it? 90 degrees, our high temperature. Mabry, 90 also out at ABIA. So much humidity in the air, it sure feels like that it could rain at any time or storm. A lot of haze, too. Some of this is moisture trapped down near the surface, but some of it is also small amounts of smoke coming up from agricultural fires down in Mexico and Central America. You might even get a hint of the smell of that out there at times. 89 degrees right now, obviously mostly overcast around the city. Temperatures out in the hill country, well, now it's nice where it's been raining. Look at Lampasas, 70 degrees. Llano, 91. So it obviously hasn't been raining in that area. Here around the metro area, we haven't been quite that lucky. Most everybody close to 90 degrees or at least down toward the mid-80s, 90 in Georgetown, 90 down in San Marcos. And same holds true in our eastern counties. Giddings is at 90, Elgin's at 90, Lockhart 90, Luling 91. In the city, we have 89 degrees, 90 degrees out at the airport with cloudy skies, we'll call it. 7 to 10 mile per hour winds, sunset at 8:21 tonight. In the allergy forecast today, I'm not sure I got the count in there. We've been busy working severe weather this afternoon, so let me tell you, 2,065 on the mold and 30 on the grass. So mold high, grass low. Around the state, 80s back to the west. Laredo again today, out of sight, 103. Dallas, rain and a thunderstorm. Wouldn't that be nice? 68 degrees as a result. These thunderstorms are pretty strong, though, up in North Texas. A few severe thunderstorm warnings. Another one breaking out there, a little cluster in East Texas. And we could continue to see some activity forming, not in the front. It's still back here in West Texas, but this is the dry line here that is pushed up into the hill country today and allowed some development. Is it going to continue to develop south down that line? Maybe, maybe not. You know, during the whole month of April, we saw these lines repeatedly develop, and all of them stayed to the north of us. Our computer model isn't very excited about it tonight. Tomorrow, the dry line will push back in here again, and we could see an afternoon thunderstorm on your Saturday, and then Sunday, we could see it flare up again, too. Tonight, low 70s, low to mid 70s in the morning. Tomorrow, highs, it's going to be kind of hot tomorrow. Low 90s unless you can get an afternoon shower. So a slight chance of an evening thunderstorm. Tomorrow morning, cloudy, some light fog, 73, warm and muggy. And then you may see the clouds build up in a shower, thunder shower tomorrow afternoon. But the chances, let's look at those, only 20% this weekend. So I wouldn't worry too much about your outdoor activities. Have your weather radio handy and be prepared to move to shelter if a storm does develop where you are. But the probabilities are pretty low. Front next Wednesday with our next best chance of rain.